The next couple of sections in this iPad area will show you a step-by-step process on how I created a couple of different iPad images. It won't be as fast as what you're seeing now. This is a rapid version of it, but I'll include these in the next couple of sections, and what it does is I'll slow down. There'll be no conversation in it. It'll just show you step by step how I created this evil bird image. And so I think if you zoom in, stop once in a while, take a look, you should be able to follow the process exactly, as long as you have exactly the same app. Good luck creating these different images, and I hope you find these a challenge. Enjoy. Thank you for watching the Drawing Digitally video. Don't forget to comment, suggest, and subscribe.